In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paystack to Shopify seamlessly. Whether you're launching a new store or looking to offer your customers a preferred payment option, connecting Paystack to your Shopify store can be a game changer. So, let's dive into this process and walk through the steps together. To start, you'll need a Paystack account. If you don't have one already, head to the Paystack website and sign up. It's a quick process, and once you're in, make sure your account is set up appropriately, including getting it activated for live transactions. Once your Paystack account is all set up and ready to go, jump over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, we'll begin by clicking on Settings found at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Then, head to the Payments section. This is where you'll manage different payment methods available on your Shopify store. On the Payments page, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Alternative Payments section. This is where Paystack will be configured. Now, click on Choose Alternative Payment. In this search bar, type in Paystack. If Paystack is available in your region, it should appear as an option. Select Paystack, and you'll be prompted to enter your Paystack public and secret keys. It's important to know that these keys act like a bridge between Shopify and Paystack, allowing transactions to process securely. So, head back to your Paystack dashboard, click on Settings, and then API Keys Webhooks. Here, you'll find both the public key and the secret key. Copy each of these keys individually and carefully paste them into the corresponding fields in your Shopify payment settings. Once your keys are in place, double-check to make sure they are entered correctly, because any typos can prevent customers from completing their purchase. Now, if you're only testing and not yet prepared for live transactions, you can activate the test mode in Paystack, allowing you to simulate transactions on Shopify without using actual funds. Just remember, when you're ready to go live, come back to this settings page and switch off test mode so you can start receiving real payments. Lastly, once everything is set, click the Activate button. You should see Paystack listed among your payment methods. It's always a good practice to place a test order to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Just be sure to switch off the test mode if needed and double-check every detail to make your customer experience as smooth as possible. And there you have it. With Paystack integrated into your Shopify store, you're ready to offer a reliable and secure payment method to your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!